A very good morning to you children. How are you all? Are you keeping fine? Did you read the first lesson? Did you write your homework in the back page of your notebook? Learned spelling? Okay, very good. Before starting the second lesson, I will give you a brief explanation of the first lesson. In the first lesson, we learned about a king, that is King Vidyadhara. King Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. He was very fond of gardening. His people were very happy in his kingdom. But King Vidyadhara did not have any children. So, as he grew older, the people of the country became more and more worried. They got the problem who would take over the kingdom after his time. For finding out a successor, King Vidyadhara found out an idea. What was his idea? We will see from the second lesson. Yes, children, come to the second lesson. Take page number 11. Lesson 2. A proclamation. Lesson 2. Listen very carefully. I will read it one time. Lesson 2. A proclamation. To find a successor, the king thought of an idea. He decided, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. They can take 3 months for each. The king ordered his minister to give a proclamation. Children, read it silently one time. Yes, lesson 2, a proclamation. Proclamation. What is the meaning of proclamation? The act of making an official statement. Act of making an official statement. ഒഫീഷ്യലായിട്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റുകൾ മേക്ക് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വിളംബരം ചെയ്യുക. പ്രൊക്ലമേഷൻ, വിളംബരം എന്നാണ് പ്രൊക്ലമേഷൻ്റെ മലയാളം മീനിങ്. ഇവിടെ കിങ് വിദ്യാധര പ്രൊക്ലമേഷൻ നടത്തുവാൻ വേണ്ടി മിനിസ്റ്ററോട് പറയുന്നത്, തൻ്റെ മിനിസ്റ്ററോട് പറയുന്നതാണ് ഈ ലെസൺ. എന്താണ് പ്രൊക്ലമേഷൻ? ടു ഫൈൻഡ് എ സക്സസർ, ദ കിങ് തോട്ട് ഓഫ് ആൻ ഐഡിയ. ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഹിസ് സക്സസർ, തൻ്റെ പിൻഗാമിയെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി കിങ് വിദ്യാധര ഒരു ഐഡിയ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്തു. ടു ഫൈൻഡ് എ സക്സസർ, ദ കിങ് തോട്ട് ഓഫ് ആൻ ഐഡിയ. ഹി തോട്ട് ഓഫ് ആൻ ഐഡിയ. വാട്ട് വാസ് ഹിസ് ഐഡിയ? He decided, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. What did he decide? King Vidyadhara decided to distribute, to give some seeds to the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. They can take 3 months for it. And after giving it, he will give 3 months duration for the children of the country forward to grow the biggest and the healthiest plant. And the child who grows the healthiest and the biggest, the strong plant will become the prince or the princess. Do you know children what is the meaning of prince? യെസ്, രാജകുമാരൻ. ഏത് കുട്ടിയാണോ, ഏത് ആൺകുട്ടി ആണ് ഈ പ്ലാന്റ് നന്നായി നല്ല ബിഗസ്റ്റും ഹെൽത്തിയസ്റ്റുമായിട്ടുള്ള പ്ലാന്റ് വളർത്തിയെടുക്കുന്നത്? ബോയ് ആണെങ്കിൽ പ്രിൻസ് ആകും, ഗേൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ പ്രിൻസസ് ആകും, രാജകുമാരി ആകും. ഇതാണ് കിങ് വിദ്യാധര കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ഐഡിയ. ഹൗ മച്ച് ടൈം ഹി വിൽ ഗീവ് ഫോർ ദ ചിൽഡ്രൻ? യെസ്, they can take 3 months duration for that. 3 മാസക്കാലം അവർക്ക് കാലാവധി കൊടുത്തു ഈ നല്ല പ്ലാന്റിനെ വളർത്തിയെടുക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടി. The king ordered his minister to give a proclamation, and King Vidyadhara ordered his minister to give a proclamation. ഈ കാര്യം വിളംബരം ചെയ്യുവാൻ വേണ്ടി വിദ്യാധര തൻ്റെ മിനിസ്റ്ററോട് ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടു. Clear children? You got the meaning? Once again, I will read the lesson one more time. Listen very carefully. Find out new words from the lesson. Lesson 2, a proclamation. To find a successor, the king thought of an idea. He decided, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. They can take 3 months for it. The king ordered his minister to give a proclamation. I think that you all understood the meaning of this story, isn't it? Okay, find out the new words, children. Yes, proclamation. First one, proclamation. Spell out proclamation. Proclamation. Successor. Successor. പിൻഗാമി. തൻ്റെ പിൻഗാമിയെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി. SUCCESSOR. Successor. What is that word? Yes, okay. Successor. Decided. Decided. Meaning took decision. DECIDED. 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 Distribute. 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 What did he decide? He decided to distribute, to give children some seeds to grow. Country. I think that you, all of you know the spelling of country. Spell out, please. Yes, very good. COUNTRY. Biggest. 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 Healthiest. Healthiest. Okay. HEALTHIEST. 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 Prince. Who can say? Yes, okay, very good. PRINCE. 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 Princess. Yes. PRINCESS. Princess. Months. You know it now? Spelling of months. MONTHSS. Months. Ordered. Ordered. Gave order to do. Gave order to do. ORDERED. 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 Minister. 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 Proclamation. Once again. Proclamation. PROCLAMATION. Okay, children, I will send you new words. You write the back page of your notebook. One word in one line. One line you can write 3 or 4 times a word. Like that you write down and learn the spelling and read the lesson 2 or 3 times. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.